Malaysia embraced foreign aid, investment and assistance wherever they could find it, primarily with Japan, a veritable goldmine of information given its trade position on the world stage at the time. In the automotive industry, companies like Mitsubishi, Honda and Toyota helped set up manufacturing plants. Sony, Panasonic and Hitachi helped develop Malaysian electrical and electronics. Firms like Renesas helped it become a growing hub for semiconductors, and following the foreign direct investment model, Malaysia continued to see considerable GDP growth even after the Asian financial crisis. But of course, there are a number of caveats, and more on that later. The important thing to note is that at the moment, Malaysia is one of those rare cases where governments of the past make long-term economic targets for the future and actually stick to a system that meets most of their goals. For example, in an effort to sustain this growth, the country has been good at reinvesting these successes back into developing infrastructure. It has some of the best roads, ports and internet in Asia, which has helped to accommodate more industry, so much so that citizen satisfaction in these areas surpasses most wealthier Western nations by a significant margin. And while geography isn't a cure-all for an economy, with some countries practically floating on oil and struggling to capitalise on it in any long-term meaningful way, the Malaysian model has definitely thrived by leveraging its global position strategically. It sits at the crossroads of major sea routes like the Strait of Malacca, connecting the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea, which are amongst the busiest shipping lanes in the world for ocean freight. About a quarter of the world's trade passes through this channel alone, and it's also a choke point for energy and food imports into China, so the region's largest player can't throw its weight around too much.